In the realm of software development, Python, a high-level interpreted programming language. Famous for its Zen-like code, it's arguably the most popular language in the world because it's easy to learn, yet practical for serious projects. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, who named it after Monty Python's Flying Circus, which is why you'll sometimes find spam and eggs instead of foo and bar and code samples. It's commonly used to build server-side applications like web apps with the Django framework and is the language of choice for big data analysis and machine learning. At Spericorn, we're committed to leading the way in sustainable Python development. In 2024, our goal is to ensure that every Python project at Spericorn follows the highest standards of code efficiency and minimal resource demand. Embracing advanced development tools and methodologies, we are aiming to make testing and deployment less resource-intensive. With DevOps practices, we are not only streamlining our development pipeline but also reducing our digital footprint. At Spericorn, the decision to embrace Python technology goes beyond mere preference. It reflects a commitment to delivering exceptional solutions to clients worldwide by harnessing the power of Python. When you choose us, you are not just getting software development services, you are joining to lead towards sustainability. Every line of code we write contributes to a larger goal of efficiency and responsibility. We are not satisfied with just meeting industry standards. We are setting new benchmarks for sustainable software development. Here at Spericorn, we have a plan, a vision to revolutionize the industry and make sustainable Python development the norm for the future.
Let's create something amazing together.